Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Planet Express is probably one of the most sought-after shipping solutions for businesses and individuals alike, offering a comprehensive suite of services designed to streamline international logistics and make global commerce more accessible than ever before. Whether you're a small e-commerce startup looking to expand your reach or a large corporation managing complex supply chains, Planet Express provides the tools and expertise to navigate the intricacies of cross-border shipping with efficiency and confidence, ensuring your packages arrive at their destination promptly and securely. Number 5. B.TAN Best Clear Self-Tanning Gel with Mitt Kit. I'm a revolutionary clear self-tanning gel designed for a flawless application. Enjoy a beautiful glow without the need for rinsing, allowing you to truly glow your own way. My advanced formula ensures no transfer onto your clothes or bedding. This Clear Express tan goes on invisibly and requires no rinse, so you can live your life worry-free. Achieve the most incredible, dark tan with the included best-selling mitt. It's everything you need for a professional-looking tan at home. Infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, I provide an ultra-hydrated glow. You'll be left with deeper tan results and beautifully smooth, moisturized skin. Self-tanning has never been easier. Simply pump a small amount, blend evenly, wash your hands, and you're ready to glow. Proudly made in the USA by tanning experts, I use only the highest quality ingredients. You can trust that your skin is receiving the best care. What we like. This Express Tanning Gel is designed for a no-fuss, no-mess glow. Its clear formula means zero transfer onto your clothes or sheets, perfect for busy mornings or evenings. If you're looking for a quick, clean, and deeply moisturizing tan that leaves your skin feeling juicy and looking dark, this is the one for you. What people say. The bottle arrived with a little clip around the pump stem so it couldn't be pressed during shipping. No leaks. No mystery tan explosions. More brands need to do this. This gel is the perfect middle ground. Not thick and sticky, not watery and messy. It spreads easily and evenly, especially with a tanning mitt, which I always recommend no matter the formula. It glides on smoothly and blends without effort. It goes on completely clear, which means no guide color, no stained sheets, and no awkward "don't touch me" phase. It dries fairly quickly too. I was dry enough in about 10 minutes to throw on loose sweats and go about my evening. Number 4. Futurama LootCrate July 2016 Planet Express Ship Q-Fig. Get ready for an out-of-this-world collectible. This is the July 2016 LootCrate exclusive from Futurama. It's a must-have for any fan of the show. Introducing the iconic Planet Express ship, reimagined as a Q-Fig. This detailed model captures the essence of the beloved delivery vessel. It's perfect for display. Brought to you by QMX, known for their high-quality collectibles. You can trust the craftsmanship and attention to detail. This piece is no exception. Part of the Mini Masters vehicle series, this ship is designed for collectors. It's a fantastic addition to any Futurama or sci-fi collection. Own a piece of the adventure. This special edition features a striking red color. It stands out and adds a unique flair to your display. Don't miss out on this vibrant version. What we like. This is a compact and collectible model of the iconic Planet Express ship. It's a fun, small-scale representation perfect for display on a desk or shelf. If you're a fan of Futurama and love collecting unique, smaller-sized memorabilia, this Q-Fig is a great addition to your collection. What people say. The Planet Express ship is equipped with a hyperdrive that allows for faster-than-light travel. It features a spacious cargo hold, capable of carrying large amounts of goods. The ship's advanced navigation system ensures accurate and efficient route planning. Number 3. QMX Master Series Futurama Planet Express Ship Replica. Bring home the iconic Planet Express ship from Futurama with this Master Series replica. It's a must-have for any fan of the beloved animated series. Crafted with durable ABS, PVC, and acrylic, this replica also features strong neodymium magnets for a secure build. It's designed to last. The ship itself measures an impressive 12 inches long, 3.75 inches high, and 4.25 inches wide. It's a substantial addition to your collection. It comes with a dedicated stand, measuring 6.5 inches long, 5 inches high, and 3.5 inches wide. This ensures it can be displayed perfectly. Together, the ship and stand create a commanding display piece, measuring 12 inches long, 8.25 inches high, and 4.25 inches wide. It's ready to take flight on your shelf. What we like. This is a premium, large-scale replica of the Planet Express ship, crafted with high-quality materials for a realistic look and feel. It includes a display stand to showcase its impressive dimensions. If you're a serious collector or a dedicated Futurama enthusiast looking for a centerpiece display item, this Master Series replica is an excellent choice. What people say. He loves how the cockpit and engines light up when connected to the base, and he also loves the fact that you can detach the ship and it has a very strong magnetic base. It's very sturdy and the quality was great. It's held very firmly in the base with magnets that also close the 3 AAA battery circuit to light up the front wraparound windshield, for windows, and the engine in blue. It looks cool in the dark. The detail is very exacting on mine. The ship has a good size, you can pull apart the ship from the base as they are joined by magnets. This is really cool as the ship has lights and the button to turn it on are in the base, so the electricity travel through the magnets. Number 2. Planet Embroidered Iron-On Patch. Introducing our top-quality embroidered patch, perfect for adding a unique touch to your clothing. It's designed for durability and style. You can easily apply this patch using either an iron or by sewing it on. This offers you flexibility in how you attach it to your favorite items. Measuring 4 by 2.8 inches, with a diameter of 2.8 inches, it's the ideal size to make a statement without being overwhelming. It fits perfectly on jackets, jeans, and more. Showcase your love for space with this eye-catching design. It features a captivating planet, rocket, and astronaut motif, inspired by the wonders of the galaxy and NASA. Elevate your style by adding this applique to your jacket or jeans. It's a fantastic way to personalize your apparel and express your passion for space exploration. What we like. This is a high-quality embroidered patch featuring the Planet Express logo. It's versatile, allowing you to iron it on or sew it onto your favorite jacket, bag, or jeans. If you want to add a personal touch and show off your love for the brand in a durable and stylish way, this patch is ideal. What people say. Colors are vibrant and it adhered well to my hat. Looks great and seems to be holding up well. This patch fits absolutely perfectly in its place. Wife repaired a hole in my favorite shorts and this patch colors went really well with it. Number 1. Planet Express Bumper Sticker. Introducing the Planet Express sticker, a durable and high-quality vinyl decal. It's designed to last for years, making it a long-lasting addition to your belongings. Crafted from premium vinyl, this sticker is built to withstand the elements. You can trust its quality for extended use. Enjoy peace of mind with a sticker that promises longevity. Its robust construction ensures it will remain vibrant for years to come. Perfect for your truck or laptop, this approximately 5-inch sticker offers versatile application. Show off your style wherever you go. Applying this sticker is a breeze. Its high-quality material ensures a smooth application and a clean look. Add a touch of personality to your vehicle or devices. This sticker is a simple yet effective way to express yourself. What we like. This is a durable, weather-resistant vinyl sticker of the Planet Express logo, designed to last for years. Its 5-inch size makes it perfect for a variety of applications. If you're looking to personalize your truck, laptop, or any other surface with a long-lasting decal that boldly displays your fandom, this bumper sticker is a fantastic option. What people say. Has lasted on my car for a while now with no issue. Easy to apply and looks good. Remember, it's a decal. You have to peel it off the back, stick it on, then make sure it's stuck on. Then the last step, remove the film from the front. This is a good decal. The application was easy. Just place and remove the application sheet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.